Let's adjust the rear wheel arch. Okay, I'll pull it back. Check the side profile. Looks better. Let's adjust the rear aerodynamics. Reducing drag by 4%. Confirmed. Running the simulation now. Good. Let's review. All right, initiating the process now. Operation complete. Looks good. See this spike? It's in the power distribution. Confirmed, the logs show a 15% variance. I'll simulate the load now. Good. This one's secure. Good. Now check the alignment. Alignment looks good. Perfect. Next one. Okay, plugging in the main harness now. Good. Check the diagram on the tablet. Connect it. Powering it up. Looks good. Initiating simulation protocol. Torque analysis complete. Efficiency is optimal.